get a large Dr. Pepper with a double shot of regular cherry. Add vanilla.
Large Dr. Pepper. What else, sir?
A double shot of regular cherry.
Cherry.
A double shot of regular cherry. Like, can you add like a double shot of cherry? Then can I get a oh shit. With a double shot. Yeah. And then I need a Sunday cheeseburger.
Alright.
Alright, appreciate it, man. Hurry up, let's see.
Okay, so we are doing a taste test of a Oreo and peanut butter smoothie, and I'm also going to taste test my drink. I usually get the Dr. Pepper, a large Dr. Pepper with a double shot of cherry and add vanilla, but they put a double shot of vanilla today, so we're going to see how that tastes. Let's do the peanut butter and Oreo smoothie first. It's not coming out. I mainly taste the peanut butter with a hint of Oreo, but it's really good. Here, you taste it. Good. But let's try my drink. Okay. I'm telling y'all, get it. Large Dr. Pepper, double shot of regular cherry, add vanilla. And if you want extra vanilla, do a double shot of vanilla. But we're gonna go home, enjoy this. Have a great day.
I be caught in this life, let's sell the toast and get lost. I hate to make it all like
the kind of slip off. Ain't too many like me, 99% of them rip offs.
When it gets cocky, sign that bitch off to my core. Since I called him, bitch, don't kiss it, it's a bliss. I'm on my frequent. Ass up, face down.